everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day as a model. No, I'm not a model, but I'm modeling for, it's through Amanda, who is a model. It's kind of like a bridal morning shoot, which I'm really excited and also really nervous for. But yeah, I'll show you what I eat today as a model. It's kind of clickbait, but it's fun. Who cares? I wanted to show you guys. I got this yesterday and already tapped into it a little bit because I was too excited. I got my Thrive Market box, which I'm literally so obsessed with these now. Let's do a little grocery haul of what I got. So first thing are these little iced teas, and I really like these because I had one yesterday already. They're 0 calories, they're just green tea, and I'm such an iced drink kind of person. I don't really like hot drinks or warm drinks, so these are so good. If you guys want 40% off your Thrive Market order, use the link in my description box or this code. Again, I've worked with them before and I just don't understand why you wouldn't want to get 40% off groceries you'd already be getting, especially like pantry items and like staples. Such a good thing. But this is just green tea in a can, pouring it over ice. So freaking good. Something I always get, Banza pasta. I love these chickpea pastas. Always get them at the grocery store, and to just get them on Thrive is so nice. So I'm always stacked. Then I ripped into these too. I got little seaweed snacks. I love these. I always eat that with like sticky rice and avocado, and just like put the sushi together as like a snack plate. I love it. I got more of these little rice ramen packets. Love these so much. And with that, I got some silken tofu. So you can get like cold items, frozen items, and just pantry goods on Thrive. And they ship in a really nice protective box and so fast. So I got extra firm silken tofu, 2 boxes of that, because throwing it in like ramen or miso soup is so good and so dumb easy to get that extra protein. Then this I'm so excited for. I got matcha lemonade, and I love the matcha lemonade from Starbucks, but I like it like half of the sweetness basically. So when I get it, I'll like put it into 2 separate cups with water. So I'm excited to have my own matcha lemonade mix where I can make it the sweetness I want. Okay, my camera just ran out of battery space, but what I was saying, I already used my last almond butter from my last Thrive Market all the way up. So I'm really happy I have this because we're gonna make some breakfast right now with this. Thrive Market is an online member-based grocery store on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. You can shop thousands of best-selling organic foods and natural products below the traditional retail prices. And if you find a better price somewhere else, they'll match it. They have amazing selection of organic groceries, snack supplements, eco-friendly cleaning supplies, non-toxic beauty items, personal care items, organic kids products, wine, meat, and seafood, frozen veggies, and so much more. Whether you're gluten-free, vegan, or keto, you can shop over 90 plus diets and values. They have a monthly membership option for $9.95 a month and a yearly membership option for $59.95. That's only $5 a month. So remember to click the link in my description box or go to thrivemarket.com/Lainey to get 40% off your first order and a free gift worth over $50. Honestly, it's such a good deal. You get groceries no matter what. Why not take this opportunity and save a ton of money while you're at it? So we've got chia seed pudding, raspberries, blueberries, and almond butter, and the chia seed pudding is just made with almond milk. I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna go drive and get my hair and makeup done. I've only had my makeup done professionally one other time and my hair done for like, you know, prom and stuff. So I'm excited, but I'm really nervous. I have a particular way I do my makeup and when other people do it, no, and my hair. we'll see. Okay, bye. Should I use this as clickbait?
How do you feel?
You're gonna get her dress
And
in
she's
a
gonna get
second.
some tie after.
You can open up some champagne girls if you need to relax.
Will that be good, Winnie?
Okay, agent.
Unless you get like champagne.
Yeah.
So cute.
You're like, she's an actress. Come on, girl. Yes. Yes.
The other way.
Oh my gosh, you look so good. It's crazy.
I have a charger, but it doesn't have the
Crazy.
Burping.
Me too.
Ready?
I had like in the car seat.
Stop! Look at how cute. Like, this is a whole vibe. Like, it looks so good.
So pretty.
This look was a really good idea.
This is just perfect. Okay, I'll try.
Oh my god, shut up. I don't know how to do that. So cute.
That was fun.
You have
She's
fun?
so good. Yeah.
I know, she's so good. Wow, how cute. I know. I cannot wait to stay here one day.
Like, yeah. Staying here and literally walking out on every hallway.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Just
That's
bring a
like.
million changes of clothes.
Yeah, exactly. And she's off. She's off. That's a wrap. Yay!
First modeling.
I don't know how to open it. Do you?
It's a door.
You said it's a door.
Yeah, this is a door.
Probably so icy. Your hair looks nice.
Right now.
You immediately split it in the middle.
It just did it naturally.
It looks cute.
Because I do that, you know.
Yeah. Hi, Izzy.
Hi, Isker.
Hi, Isker.
Bella. I can't even lie to you guys. It is a different day. But you just saw the whole photo shoot. It was so much fun. I already have a lot of photos sent over that she edited just as like a sneak peek. They're on my Instagram too if you want to follow there. I ended up eating like a granola bar on set, and then after I went out to eat with Amanda and Ava and we got like sandwiches and stuff. That was kind of a bust, but I'm here eating at home again today. It's where I always eat, in front of my desktop computer because I like to watch TV while I eat my food. So this is lunch. I've got cucumbers, the seaweed from my Thrive Market box, sticky rice, and kimchi. And I'll just like put them all together in my little, you know, like seaweed wrap. Deconstructed sushi kind of. I normally add avocado, but mine was bad today. And I'm so picky. If it's not perfect, I'm not gonna eat it. So we'll see how full this keeps me. I'll probably eat like sooner now that I don't have avocado, but it's a lot of food. It's so good. I'll eat this whole plate and I'm just watching some anime. So I'll see you guys after. I think I'm gonna film something today. See you at dinner time. Please ignore my room. I'm kind of packing right now for New York Fashion Week, which is really exciting. But I'm ending off this vlog here. I was gonna film more of my meals and stuff, but I just stopped. I'm really not comfortable sharing exactly what I eat in a day just because I don't want anyone to follow what I'm doing or make you think this is what I eat every day and it's how my body looks like this, or trying to get my body to look another way and this is how I do it, because that's really not the case at all. I just eat what feels good to me. I don't mind sharing like groceries and
individual meals. I just don't want you guys to follow this and think this is what you eat in a day, because I didn't show so much of what I ate. I didn't show the Oreos that live under my bed that I pull out in the middle of the night and snack on. Yes, I do have Oreos under my bed.